Hi, everybody. In this video, we'll be showing you how to build a quote in Smart. From your home screen, you'll hit New and then Quote. On Properties, you will enter your quote name and project name. And select your customer. Go to Line Items. Add line item will default to Unit. You can also select Additional Item. We'll hit Go. Select the type of series you'd like and hit Continue. Freight type options, best way will default. You can add your reference number. Select your nearest city. Job location, zip code, elevation, and inlet temperature can be overridden from the screen. We'll hit Continue. Electrical supply, gas type, gas pressure, and high pressure regulator selection options. Select our model number and our mounting type. Hit Continue. Discharge damper or none, insulation, metal finish, and backnet controls will default. Hit Continue. Gas control options, FM, IRI, and high pressure regulator will default based on previous selections. Hit Continue. RCS options, thermostat, averaging sensors, EMS, interlocks, and clog filter switch options available. Hit Continue. Rain hood or inlet screen, V-bank filter sections, and filter types can be selected from the screen. Hit Continue. Downturn options, discharge duct sizes, wall sleeve options, and directional elbows are available on the screen. Hit Continue. Curb sizes, counter flashing, and curves by others are available. Mounting rails will default to 12 inches. Inlet temperature, temperature rise and discharge, and airflow selection options. We'll hit Continue. Continue. Motor horsepower, motor type, ODP or totally enclosed fan. Efficiency and sheaves are defaulted. Car wash accessories are available here. We'll hit Continue. Interlocks, convenience outlet, and any other options are selectable here. We'll hit Continue and Configure. From here, your quote will build. Once this pops up, hit Add to Quote. Freight will automatically generate. No need to change the quantity. It will update based on selections in the quote. You can add factory startup and remove by clicking Remove Factory Startup. Commission will automatically generate to 25%. Any overage will be shared 50-50. Go to Quote Info. Fill out the required fields. Lead time based on your selection. Accounts. Anticipated ship date. And probability of sale. And from there, we'll hit Build. On this screen, your selected document will build, and you can review your selections here. From the screen, you can edit your unit or view your document. You can review your document and print off from this screen. And that is how you build a quote. Thank you.